Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm greeting according to your time and location. Welcome to Design by Osil, a channel that goes to cover for latest designs. Okay, so if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, or you have been watching my video but you haven't subscribed, please guys kindly subscribe, okay? And don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you don't get to miss our videos as soon as we upload them in this channel. Thank you so much as you join us. Today we have most stunning and gorgeous simple nail art design for short nail art for elegant ladies. Guys, watch this video from beginning to the end. You definitely see styles that will blow your mind. Guys, ensure to watch from beginning to the end. Do not miss any slide. We're gonna be discovering most amazing and cute nail design for you. Okay, you get to see different colors, different shades, different nail arts. Okay, so just watch it, select your favorites and share to your family and friends so they can be part of the video. Do support us by hitting the like button. Okay, just like the video so it will reach a wider audience. Okay, to my returning viewers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I do not take it for granted. We love you guys, we appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, and please guys keep supporting us and we'll keep bringing mind-blowing videos to you. So watch, like, comment and share. We wait for your lovely comment in the comment section. Tell us will be trying any of these nails. Just let us know in the comment section. I'll see you guys, my ladies. Bye.